What's going on, you guys? Now, to celebrate Black History Month, we got ourselves another figure. And from Elite 100, it's none other than The Rock. Let's get into The Rock. All right. Now we got The Rock here. Elite Series 100. Brahma Bull belt. The Rock jersey. Rock on this side. Says The Rock. And you got The Rock right here. Y'all can read that. An iconic look for The Rock. You can also see who else is involved. Andre the Giant. He's got a chase. Rey Mysterio. Becky Lynch. John Cena. And stunning Steve Austin. Not Stone Cold. Stunning Steve Austin. It is The Rock. So you've got The Rock. He comes with 2 open hands. And two open fists. But you got the people's champ, the most electrifying man of all entertainment. You've got the Brahma Bull Championship belt. I mean, look at that. I mean, that's his logo now. He's got the jersey. He's got the glasses. The $100 million smile. The red trunks. The Rock. Brahma Bull on the butt. Take the jersey off. We'll keep it on. There's your most electrifying man in all of entertainment. Let's do this. Let us do this. Just bring it. So, there you go. We got The Rock with the Brahma Bull belt. Thank you again for joining me and watching me open this up. Check me on TikTok because I'll probably be posting a video about it. So with that being said, thank you and peace.